In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of QuickBooks Online Plus, a platform designed for businesses that are ready to level up their accounting game with advanced features. QuickBooks Online Plus is not just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution offering everything from sophisticated inventory management to detailed budgeting and project tracking. It's the ideal choice for businesses that are growing and in need of detailed accounting features to stay ahead. Imagine this. You're managing a thriving business, and keeping track of various moving parts is becoming increasingly challenging. That's where QuickBooks Online Plus steps in. Let's dive into these features that can truly transform the way you handle your business finances. First, let's explore advanced inventory management. It's perfect for those juggling multiple products. This feature allows you to track your inventory flow seamlessly, keeping an eye on what's coming in, what's going out, and even what's stuck on the shelves. You can automate reordering processes by setting thresholds for low stock, helping you stay ahead of demand, thus avoiding those awkward out-of-stock situations. By having detailed insights into your inventory, you can make informed decisions that boost efficiency and potentially cut costs. Next, let's talk about project tracking. Imagine having every element of your project organized in one place. QuickBooks Online Plus allows you to manage individual projects with ease. You can track expenses and invoices, assign specific tasks to your team, and even follow the progress over time. This means you're not just tracking the money, you're evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of each project in one consolidated view. It empowers you with real-time data on time spent and the associated costs, making it easier to keep projects on budget and within scope. Now, turning our focus to budgeting, this feature is a godsend for businesses aiming to maintain financial health without the headaches. With QuickBooks Online Plus, you can create budgets based on various criteria, whether it's month-to-month comparison, year-to-date assessments, or specific project budgets. This helps you set financial goals, monitor how you're pacing against those goals, and adjust allocations as needed. It can be a strategic partner, handing you the insights to anticipate cash flow changes before they hit, and ensuring that your business remains financially robust. Finally, what makes QuickBooks Online Plus truly advantageous is its capacity to integrate these features seamlessly into your existing business processes. The platform is intuitively designed to accommodate the dynamic nature of your growing business. Plus, with its cloud-based system, you have the flexibility to access crucial financial data anywhere, anytime. So, whether you're a small business taking its first steps towards growth or a larger enterprise fine-tuning operations, QuickBooks Online Plus is equipped to meet your needs. Equip your business with the right tools and knowledge, and witness the profound impact on your financial management efficiency and effectiveness. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one.